The biggest question is, will we break 100,000 and move up, or will we get rejected here before 100,000 and see a big breakdown to the 80k area, what a lot of people are speaking about? And you know, from our symmetrical triangle, the price tag is still $100,000, but a lot of people regarding the question, will we break to $100,000 above or below, will we stay below getting rejected 100,000? We can answer if we are watching here this cup and handle, what a lot of people forgot. You remember the cup and handle which we broke out several days ago? It's exactly here. You see the cup and this is the handle, what we see. And here we broke out. We are heading here towards our price target. You measure the cup and handle from the top. Wait a minute here. From the top to the downside, and the price target is here very clear. I will show you in a second, but before that I want to share with you this. As soon as we're reaching $100,000, you see here over 2 billion, 2.3 billion longs will be liquidated. If we're reaching even higher, $104,000, over 3 billion longs will get liquidated. This is crazy. I mean, we have to be honest that if we are dumping here to 90k area, then $4 billion worth of longs got liquidated. But it's interesting to see, but I'm pretty sure we will reach 100k, and to see 2.3 billion shorts get liquidated, this is crazy. Another nice thing, and this is Pepper, by the way, Pepper we will speak also in a second, is the total crypto market cap. So what speaks for it that we will break through $100,000, the total crypto market cap? We are about to close in 3 days, still 3 days to go, but we clearly broke above our previous total crypto market all-time high in 2021, clearly with the massive candle. If we're closing this in 3 days, as bullish as it seems right now, this bull market will be crazy. It's not even imaginable how crazy it will be. And we have here also a big cup and handle. If you measure again this cup and handle from top to the downside, the pessimistic would be $3.7 trillion market cap price target. The optimistic would be $4.3 trillion market cap total crypto market cap, which is crazy. Altcoins, you see altcoins are breaking a massive resistance line, which is altcoin season is here already. $1.2 trillion. We broke the Fibonacci 0618 as you see it here. In 3 days we're closing this weekly candle. Obviously we could still get rejected and see a dump here, but it doesn't look like this if you combine the total crypto market cap, if you combine this, if you combine the big price target of this cup and handle which we have here, then you know we should see more pump in the market. And you see the most of retail already took their profits. Also, we see here, if you're asking around if someone invested in crypto, also the Bitcoin dominance hit again resistance here. And what we usually see, we see here dump to 58 at least %. So it would mean we would see also here altcoin season right now happening. And we see here also another chart where you see the liquidity here. The liquidity goes here way above 100,000, which they can grab. So in my opinion, we will see for sure Bitcoin breaking above $100,000. And now here also the price target of this big cup and handle, and the price target a lot of people forgot is around $120,000. Even if we measure it pessimistically, it would be $106,000. So in my opinion, we will break, not only reach $100,000, but we will break above $100,000 in my opinion for sure. And I'm still $3.3 million long on my positions. My longs don't look as good as, yeah, you see most of them are, some of them green, some of them are red. I took also on Aptos $20,000 profits. I want to be here 100% transparent with you. You have here position history, here $18,000. It was $20,000 because of the funding fee and all this shit. It's $18,000. I took some profits, but I entered again. I'm already again $4,000 in profits on Aptos. And the nice thing is, we have right now with Bitget, I have a partnership, and with Bybit, and they have right now a very nice competition where you can win up to $30,000 and win a Mercedes AMG. I registered already there. Link is down below, and here you see also where you're placed in the ranking. And yeah, if you are in number 1, you get $8,000. If you are number 2, $3,000. If you're number 3, $2,000. And even the 51 till 100 get 50 USDT. So if you trade anyways, it's a nice opportunity. It's a win-win situation for you, for me, for everyone, because I get a small percentage of my of your not liquidation fee, unfortunately, of your trading fee, which will goes anyways to the exchange. So, and you know, my channel is absolutely ad free, so if you want to support this, you can just make on Bybit or Bitget registration through my link. But then, because I'm not chilling here any shit projects which I paid by them, but all projects which I'm invest myself, like Render, which $11,000 in a loss. Shit, probably I should start promoting shitcoins. No, I'm joking, I will not. Here, another thing, you can make a screenshot or check out, very important chart. Here you see the RSI heat map, and here you see your favorite altcoins which are in the overbought zone. So just be careful, because if they are heavily overbought, we could see some dump here, like you see here. If we are zooming a little bit in, and if we're moving here to the left, we see here Sui and so on, heavily overbought, XRP heavily overbought, Pepper a bit overbought, but now cooling down. But Pepper, I expecting massive run. Pepper, I expecting Pepper is preparing here for a massive run, as we broke here outside of the symmetrical triangle, and the price target is in a perfect alignment with the Fibonacci measure from top to downside. The price target, we broke to the upside, so the price target is 2860. My price, I will take profits a little bit earlier at 2859 approximately here, so slightly below the price target. Yeah, but it looks amazing in case we're not breaking again inside. But I'm expecting crazy altcoin season, a crazy altcoin season, which is already starting right now. And another thing is also why I think Bitcoin will go above $100,000 is here this, you don't have to understand this. You see this line, this yellow line, the green one is the Bitcoin price, and this yellow line we crossed, so we got rejected the previous one and the 2017 bull market exactly. You see here, wait a minute, maybe I will go. So you see here, this was the previous bull market, 2021. This one was the bear market before the bull run, 2021. So we had here the bear market, and then after we hit here this moving average. This was exactly the moment when we got rejected. This is the moment when we saw a dump. Also, if we're going back in the history of Bitcoin in the bull market in 2017, it was the same. Look at this. This was the bottom, and as soon as we hit this this moving average, boom, we saw this dump happen. You see, boom. So almost hit, and we are still so far away from it. It's crazy. Look at this. So wait a minute. I zoom first out so you see it more clear. So I zoom first. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Here. So wait, I have to zoom out again. So here is the bottom which we had in 2023, end of 2023, and here. Wait a minute. Oh, I see. Wait a minute. We got already one times rejected. No, it was. No, we got one time. Yeah, we got one time rejected. Yeah. It was here the first time. Oh, sorry, I'm a little bit lost. We got here in the previous bear market one time rejected, and then the second time. This was the second rejection as soon as we touched this line. And now you see we had already one touch point, and now we're heading to the second. And the second touch point, we are still far away. It's a little bit. I'm very tired because my kid's not sleeping, but this is why I'm a bit confused here. But you see here, it's at 120,000. So expecting, you see, as soon as we touch it, we got rejected. So expecting here that we will go to at least $110,000, at least, probably even to $120,000 until we see this massive dump to 100K then, or even 80K. Thank you everyone for watching. Kiss you and see you later. Mwah.